Hi there everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple install for the BarterDEX on Windows so you can start testing. The first step is to go to the KomodoPlatform.com website and you can navigate to the Decentralized Exchange tab. Once you're there, you can select Download BarterDEX and it will take you to the GitHub page. From the GitHub page you can select the OS. We're going to select Windows. And once it's finished downloading, we can extract the file and begin using the BarterDEX. Now you can use the BarterDEX as a standalone, or you can use it with a gamma in native, because the BarterDEX actually has a SPV function or a light wallet function, so you can use it as a wallet as well. Once it's done extracting, it's pretty straightforward. You would go to the latest version, and what I do is that I create a shortcut and I put it on the dashboard. Just makes it easier to access, and now we can access the BarterDEX. When you launch it for the first time, if you have an antivirus, it might ask you for permissions. You need to make sure that the market maker is able to connect, because if it's not able to connect, then the BarterDEX will not launch. Now we're seeing that I'm getting a white screen. Some users on Windows might have to install dependencies. This might be the case. However, I think this version does not need them. In any case, if you navigate to the page, you'll be able to see that the Windows dependencies are here if you need them. And that's it, guys. That's how you run the BarterDEX on Windows. I will be making a more detailed guide on how to use the new version. Stay tuned, and thank you guys. Visit KomodoPlatform.com for more information and join our Slack or Telegram group.